Hey, it's Rebecca at Design and Adorn, and I want to show you some new kits that we just got up on the website. We have some 3-color fades and some 2-color fades. Take a look at this. So the 3-color fade, like the name says, it's 3 colors and it fades from one color to the next. This is a counted Kumihimo pattern. Your kit has 2 stringing charts, so you could make a 19-inch or a 25-inch necklace. That's up to you if you want a short or a long. But what's happening in the pattern is that by the specific way that you string the beads, your colors are going to change from one end to the other. See, we're starting out here with black, and then we fade into silver, and then silver fades into blue. So this is the classic 3-color fade, and we have this colorway available online. We also have another colorway of the 3-color fade available, and that one starts with black beads, fades into silver, and then fades into white. So you'll also find that on our website. I will post the links below for all of these. They are at designandadorn.com. So this is a 3-color fade, and it's going to be black, silver, white. Zoom in a little bit. There we go. Perfect. And then we have some 2-color fade necklaces. With the 2-color fade, we start out with 1 color. So in this case it's green, and then it fades into purple and then fades back into green. So color A, color B, color A again. So check out the colors that we have. I just got these online today. This is the Iris Gold, Capri Gold. So we start out with this beautiful matte metallic mix. This is the Iris Gold, and here you can see that there's gold, there's copper, there's some beautiful teal, little hints like a navy blue, and then a lovely reddish purple in there. So those are the starting beads. So this is your color A, this beautiful matte metallic mix, and then it's going to fade into these metallic copper O beads. That's going to be your centerpiece, and then we're going to transition back using our counted pattern. We're going to transition back into this matte metallic Iris Gold. So this kit is on the website, and then another one that's available on our website. This is the Rose and Violet kit, and the Rose and Violet, it begins with the rose. So these are translucent. So the light goes through them just a little bit, and they have a gold luster over this beautiful pink rose. Almost like a light magenta. And then that's going to fade into this matte metallic violet. And then we're going to go back to the rose, that gold lustered translucent rose. So this is another kit you'll find on our website. And then we have one more of the 2-color fades, and this one starts with black beads. So we're going to have the shiny opaque black beads at the back, and then it's going to transition into shiny opaque white at the front center of the necklace, and then it will transition back into the black. So these are all 3-color fade and 2-color fade kits that are now at designandadorn.com. I will post the links below. Happy beading. Bye.